And we are back. Welcome back to How to with Storm. Today we are going to do a signature on an embroidery piece. So here we have a ombre kimono that I have embroidered on a canvas years ago, and I've been too lazy to do a signature on, so we're gonna get that done today. I have played around with some designs. I'm going to show you real quick on this scrap piece of canvas I was given when I bought canvas for another piece. Played around with that with some lettering to figure out what I liked. And so we're going to put my initials on the piece along with the year that I completed it minus the signature. So I want to start by putting the piece up a little bit, this first stitch, to try to catch it in the back, just to make sure it stays. Time to come. And then if you don't go through like I did, make sure you hold the string down, or the thread down firmly. And I'm just following this little design that I tried and liked that I made myself. Okay, so I have finished with my signature, which is my initials there. I did learn that the back stitch that I started with, it should have been a knot. I knew that. I don't know what I was thinking when I started this. So don't listen to me at the beginning. Make sure you put a knot whenever you start and whenever you finish these, if there's nothing for you to easily tie into. And when you're making very curvy lines like my signature is, I would suggest going through over each canvas. So it might take some more time. If you look really close, you can tell I went in and out of each hole, but that just makes it look more uniform. I have tried it before where I used longer strands. I would go in and out of every 5, maybe for the more straight, and the curvy ones is when I would only do back stitches when needed, and it made it look very jaggedy and bad. So this one makes the curves look more seamless and like it's meant to be there. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll make sure to include Storm since this is How To with Storm, my little lab hound mix. And thank you so much. Until next time.